The Water for All Partnership is an EU-funded initiative for scientific research and innovation for the water sector. Its goal is to tackle water challenges to face climate change, help to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and boost Europe's competitiveness and growth to achieve a water-smart society. The Pillar D of Water for All, led by Water Europe, intends to demonstrate the efficiency of innovative solutions through the water-oriented living labs. This is a series of interviews to the frontrunners of water-oriented living labs that will join forces and collaborate in the next phases of the program. Enjoy the series.
Today is Friday, 26th of January 2024, and I'm Anna-Kaisa Ronkanen from Finnish Environmental Institute, and I'm interviewing Juha Kauppinen, representing our Bioeconomy Mikkeli water-oriented living lab. Welcome, Juha. And maybe first you can very shortly introduce yourself.
Thank you, Anna-Kaisa. Yes, I'm Juha Kauppinen from the City of Mikkeli, and I'm the coordinator of our WAL Blue Economy Mikkeli, BEM as we call it.
Thanks, Juha. And we have those 4 questions, and let's start about those innovation practices and technologies. So what are those innovation practices, technologies, and methodologies that you are using there in your WAL? Can you shortly describe?
Yeah. At the core of our WAL BEM, as we call it, is the new wastewater treatment plant based on MBR technology. The city decided to open it for R&D and innovation activities. There we can offer companies opportunity to test and pilot new technology for wastewater treatment with large volumes, tens of cubic meters per day, taken from different parts of the main process. Thanks to the underground construction, we can provide stable conditions all year round. And we promote the circular economy of water. We have readiness to deliver treated wastewater for the industrial area next to the treatment plant. This means companies can minimize their water footprint by using circulated water in their processes. The role of digitalization becomes more and more important, and we have built a data platform through which data from the test facility, treatment plant, and other sources can be collected and visualized. This enables, for example, comparison between the test facility and the main process in real time. It has been important to develop and provide services together with industrial partners from the very beginning. Operon Group is responsible in operating the treatment plants in Mikkeli, as well as providing R&D services for other companies while developing their own business same time. The data platform I mentioned has been developed in collaboration with MIPRO, who provides modern automation and digital services for water utilities. The local university partners, LUT University and Southeastern Finland University of Applied Sciences, play a crucial role by providing R&D and education capabilities.
So it sounds that's very nicely you have researchers and those like academia and education partners, industrial partners, and then also the cities and other stakeholders. So very like a unique setup, and you very nicely mentioned that you are Europe's most advanced industrial scale center of excellence in water technology. So that is very nicely said. Okay, thanks, Juha. The next question is that what are the social and economic and environmental impacts and benefits on the local territory and community of the world?
Yeah, first of all, we organize regularly visits to the treatment plant, and there we present both modern wastewater treatment and procedures of circular economy of water. In addition to companies, decision makers and experts, our target audience is also school children, students and city residents. We want people to understand the growing importance of taking good care of our waters and also the new potential for business and education. Companies, especially SMEs in Finland and other countries, have lacked opportunities to get references in a real treatment plant environment. By providing this, we can help them succeed and grow. And what comes to environmental impact, ecological condition of our country's largest lake, Saimaa, is crucial for us in many ways. Already now, the discharge water from the new treatment plant improves Saimaa's water quality locally. We can act as an example for surrounding municipalities in the development of wastewater treatment. There's a growing need to renew the infrastructure and management of water utilities in the region, and we believe WEM can support this progress. And all this is in line with strategy of the city and the region, meaning our operations and plans are on a solid base.
Great, thanks. Does it also mean that in the school they have some kind of like a wastewater treatment related courses already in the primary and junior high school? Or
Yes.
is it that they are just like coming and seeing the things? Or
yeah, there already is something, and we believe more is to come. We would like to engage children from the primary school to upper levels, so that they can learn these procedures and know that there is lots of possibilities to find a job in future, for example, in this field.
Yeah, sounds very interesting, and maybe it's also like improve this awareness that hey, there is some consequences if you, for example, like put some like a bio waste to the toilet or something like that. So then it's then in a wastewater treatment plant or something. So they can really see also that hey, what is the processes and challenges there. So,
Yes.
so then, yeah, okay. But thanks, Juha. Next question is that what lesson have been learned and what challenges have you faced? And then if you could a little bit also clarify that how did you overcome them?
Yes. And the development work we have done, it has been in many small projects and different funding programs during these years. And this brings certain challenges in continuity and can cause kind of fragmentation of the work. But however, without EU funding, this wouldn't have been possible at all. So it has these both sides. SMEs in the water sector seem to have limited ability to invest in product development and international operations. And here, cascade type funding, for example, could be one solution. We already have some encouraging experience on that. Blue Economy Mikkeli is a network of many independent stakeholders whose coordination is not always straightforward. However, we have agreed on common goals, and we understand that everyone will benefit if WEM is successful, and this is important. What about our vision? We want to become a truly international and growing center of excellence that attracts companies in Finland and abroad. We want to be known for our expertise in circular economy of water.
So you already a little bit touched to our last question that what is the future vision now, and then can you provide some tips, tricks for walls that are currently in the process of establishment?
Our experience is that it's worth bringing all the necessary local stakeholders together as early as possible. In our case, this was the city with its water utility and development company, private companies, and the universities, not forgetting funding authorities. And it's better to keep all them involved and active. Another tip could be engaging customers to develop and test your services. I guess this is called co-creation. This way, the services will better meet the real needs and not just the imagined ones.
Thank you, Juha.